Hi, I'm Dave. Welcome to my wildlife channel. In this video, it's a kingfisher sat waiting to catch a fish. He sits there quite a while, and by luck, I did get to see him to catch a fish. So what I've done is at the end of this, I've put all the pictures I took with him with the fish. If you're still watching this video, thank you very much. And if you like it or dislike it, could you please like and subscribe? As the more subscribers I get and the more likes I get, the more people would hope to see my videos. Thank you.